To determine if a wire is truly a common in a Goodman HVAC setup, test it before you trust it. Begin by turning off power at the furnace or air handler and remove the control board cover. Use a multimeter set to measure alternating current voltage to confirm line power is off. Then switch to continuity or direct current voltage for testing between the suspected common and the 24-volt hot lead from the thermostat. With the system powered back on briefly and the thermostat calling for cooling, measure 24 volts between the hot lead and the suspected common. A stable 24-volt reading indicates a proper common. If you can remove the wire from the control board terminal, perform a continuity test back to the transformer common terminal to confirm an unbroken conductor. Cross-reference the unit wiring diagram printed on the furnace or in the service manual to ensure the terminal labeled common or C corresponds to the same conductor you tested. When the wiring harness uses multiple colors, do not assume color equals function. Verify each conductor individually. If you cannot reach the transformer safely, use a continuity tester between the suspected common and the compressor contactor coil common. Bearing in mind, some systems route commons through safety devices, so continuity may be interrupted when safeties are tripped. Common mistakes start with assuming wire color defines the common and then connecting a wrong conductor. Avoid this by testing every wire regardless of color. Another frequent issue is failing to isolate power before probing, which risks shorting circuits or damaging controls. Always confirm power is off with a meter and follow lockout procedures. A third problem is relying solely on visual labels or aftermarket thermostats wiring guides, which may not match the unit. Always match your measured voltages to the furnace schematic and verify continuity to the transformer common terminal to be certain. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like HVAC wiring and troubleshooting. Our site helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find work. And we also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and ask and answer questions.